baby, begging, business like that in the Cadillac. Yeah. There you go, man. Show your face, man. Yeah, dog.
You're watching Daddy DIY.
So I had my first boo-boo. Think she ran out of gas on me. We're gonna check it out. Alright, first thing first, we gotta jack this thing up, get it in the air. We've already diagnosed it that the fuel pump went out. So we're gonna jack it up, drop the gas tank, and replace the fuel pump on this 1985 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. Get this baby back on the road. So now we're gonna jack the car up so we can get the fuel pump down. So we're dropping the whole tank to gain access to the fuel pump, and then we're going to test the fuel pump. Just turning the key forward to see if it comes on and then we're getting any power to the fuel pump. Once we do that, then we'll start again going from there down the harness and other areas to try to pinpoint what the problem is, why we're not getting any start, any crank, anything when I turn the key on the ignition.
Well, what we doing now, we're just trying to see the fuel pump coming on. I can't believe they put a brand new tank in this motherfucker and they put a new fuel pump in it. So what I'm trying to do is see, just turn it forward, don't crank it up.
Yeah, it's just forward.
You just did it?
Yeah.
Damn. I'm not going to do shit.
Everybody had a hole in the tank was like, shit, it's working, we ain't changing it. You got niggas do least overhead as possible.
Alrighty. So the next thing is to do is, that's a power, that's a constant. Well, okay. So now the next thing is to go and let everything down and take the pump out, and then the next part gonna be us taking a fuel pump and straight riding it and see if it come on from there. If it come on after we take it out, it's something in his wire harness. It's something in the wire harness or a fuse or something like that. But when I came over the first time, we already checked out the fuse, checked out it. It got to be this pump, but I'm just going in the step that it need to be in.
Alright. So we are here under the car near the, there you go, better focus. So here we are near the oil filter. So here is our problem. These wires here, some kind of way over time, weathering, heat, these wires started to touch. So the vehicle was being grounded out. So as soon as I tried to turn the key, it was just dead silence. I wasn't getting any crank. It wasn't turning over. The fuel pump wasn't humming. We wasn't getting anything. So all we did was came down here. I separated the wires, cleaned them, and we tested it, and the car crunk up. So all we have to do now is wrap these wires, get us some tape and shrink wrap on them, and get them out of the way, and we should be good to go, and the baby should be back on the road. Alright, so we got the fuel pump in. We found out that we also had a wire touching. That's what originally blew it out. But we got the wire separated, and now we're going to see what's going on. The fuel pump is now kicking on. The fuse is not blowing. Damn, no, what's you to crank it up? Oh, nigga, you just locked the key in the cup. What? Woo, there we go, baby. Begging, business like that in the Cadillac. Woo! There you go, man. Show your face, man. Yeah, dog.
You're watching Daddy DIY. Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY.